Hello, today I am going to show you how I create an automatic jump from one platform to another. First, create a curve asset. I'm naming it Fly Down Curve. Add the first key at time 0, value 0. Add a second key at time 1, value 0. Add a third key at time 0.3, value 1. Now you can edit the curve as you like. Create a second curve asset named Fly Up Curve. Add first key at time 0, value 0. Add second key at time 1, value 0. Add third key at time 0.6, value 6. Now you can edit the curve as you like. Create an actor component named FlyComp. Add a Boolean variable named isFly. Add vector variables named start and end. Add a float variable named currentTime. Add another float variable named totalTime with a value of 2 seconds. Add a curve float variable named curve. Create a function named startFly. Connect the start and end input parameters to our variables. Set currentTime to 0. Set isFly to true. Add a branch to check if the end vector z is greater than or equal to the start vector z. If true, assign the Fly Up curve to our curve variable. If false, assign the Fly Down curve. Create an updateFly function. Do branch check if isFly is true. We take currentTime variable add with delta time and set to currentTime variable. We use currentTime variable divide by totalTime variable then set to alpha variable. Create getOwner node then use it to get actorUpVector node. Multiply with getFloatValue node from curve variable. Set alpha variable into input function in time. Then multiply with height variable. Create lerpVector node then uses start variable as a input and end variable as b input. Set alpha variable to input alpha. Now we can add both result together. Then set to actor location. Do branch check. If currentTime greater than or equal to totalTime is true, we set isFly variable to false. In event tick, we call updateFly function and set delta seconds into delta time input. In player blueprint, add custom event call it as initialFly. Add FlyComp component. Then set it to call startFly function. Drag start and end input into event function to make it as input variable function. Now we create platform actor. I call it as BP Island. Add static mesh component then assign floor mesh to it. Assign material that you have. And I scale axis Y to 5. Add box collision component, name it as landing pad. I set box extent equal to 200. Add another box collision and name it as jump pad. Add Niagara component as child, for visual present jump pad. Add variable type, BP Island, and name it as Island Actor. In Event Begin Play, use Island Actor variable to get landing pad, then get world location, and promote it as variable, name it as landing. Add on component begin overlap event from jump pad component. Use other actor output node to cast to BP player, then call function initial fly. Use BP player to get actor location node, then set to input start. And use landing variable set into end input variable. Drag BP Island into level to design our jump platform. I'll duplicate 4 BP islands. For each island, set the Island Actor variable to point to the next island in the sequence. Let's test. The player is on the jump pad but isn't jumping. I forgot to connect the branch check for when current time reaches total time. Test again. Now it works. Finally, add a play sound node after the start fly function for jump pad audio. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe.